So we got a new bumper, we got it painted. I'm gonna put it back on the car, show you guys how easy it is. You don't need two people to do it. One person should be enough. Grab it like this. You can slide it up over the top like this, and just to secure it on the top, just put one clip there and one clip up here, so now you know the bumper's not going to fall off. We got to get underneath and plug in the fog lights. If you don't have fog lights, just continue to snap away. Come here, let me show you. Underneath the headlight, these things just slide underneath there. You can't go wrong. You can't put underneath it. It only goes in one way, and don't force the bumper. Everything should just go smooth, clip, clip, clip. I'm gonna plug in the fog light real quick since we unplugged it. See, that's why I left it loose. So I can pull back on it, and it's not gonna fall. So, if anybody wants free kittens, free cats, I got some over there in the yard. Please come take them. You can catch them. I'll pay you $100 a cat. You can have them. We have too many of them here. I don't know what they're doing. Let me plug in this fog light too. Okay. Now, it slides in pretty easy on both sides. You'll feel the clip. You'll feel it once it's in all the way. Come over here on this side. I'll show you. Just slide in, and you can feel it. I mean, it's just a light snudge. Make sure that these guys don't bend inwards, or else you're gonna have one hell of a time putting them in. That's it, really. I'm missing the cladding. Someone stole it. No, I think it was damaged. We got the clips underneath here. These little, these big ones, they go underneath here. There's I don't know if you can see it or not, probably not, but there's only one hole right here. You can't go wrong. See it? Just push that in. That will hold it snug. Same on the other side. And then once you got all that done, go ahead and you can, pop these top guys in too. Oh. There. That's it for the top. We just got to raise this puppy up. Let me grab my tools and clip the bottom of it. I don't think we need to get underneath the hood anymore because we got everything done. So you can close it and go home. Alright guys. To wrap up the bumper, make sure you put the bottom clips in. They should all be pretty well, in their spot. Can't really go wrong. What did I say? There was 12 of them. Make sure that this thing gets slid underneath here, and this goes underneath here, and then you got one there. Got one here, and you got one here. That's it. Oh, other side. We're missing the fender liner, but same deal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the 2 at the top is 12. Along where the fenders are, but down here there's just 10 total, and that's how I removed bumper off the 19 Forester. Touring model, base model, they're all going to be the same.